So I think I'm starting a new series here where I am taking all of the leftover switches that I've harvested for my Frankenswitches and attempting to make them into, I guess, viable switches. So the first up is what I'm affectionately calling the Hoisin Sause switch. So this is a Vint cherry black bottom, a 60-gram spring, an H1 stem, and an H1 top. And it's okay, I guess. It's pretty scratchy, but it's not a bad scratch, I guess is kind of the only way that I can put it. I'll play a sound test and you can let me know your thoughts, but I think this might be viable. Thanks, have a good one.